Laurent is about to take part in a scientific experiment. All it takes is a clean license plate and a smartphone.
So this is the app, Bugs Matter. I select my car, and here we go.
By the end of his journey back home, he'll be able to count how many bugs got crushed on his front bumper. Laurent says he's noticed fewer dead bugs over the years. Scientists call it the windshield phenomenon.
In February, the weather was great. I drove all the way to Italy. I didn't clean my windshield even once. Before, it was a real bloodbath. You had to clean your windshield several times.
It's a warm spring evening, ideal conditions for insect activity. 13 kilometers and an hour later,
It's clean, practically sparkling. Not a single bug, zero. I take a photo of the license plate. I send it off to the scientists. Done. It's scary to realize we didn't get a single bug on a trip like this. It means there's a void.
Flying insects play a vital role in the food chain. They keep pests under control and act as pollinators, helping plants to reproduce by taking pollen from flower to flower. 3/4 of the crops that we eat depend on their ecological services. Though crucial, insect populations are understudied. The sheer number of species makes them hard to track. With Bugs Matter, scientists are counting on ordinary citizens to help them collect data.
There are 39 million individual cars in France. So if a good amount of people take part during their daily commutes, on holiday, during long road trips, the statistical power of the study will be huge.
The Citizen Science Project is modeled after a similar initiative in the United Kingdom. Some 25,000 car journeys were recorded between 2021 and 2024. And the results were troubling. The number of flying insects dropped by nearly 63% in just 3 years. Habitat loss and pesticide use are some of the known causes of their decline. In the outskirts of Paris, fields of rapeseed stretch for miles, a prime example of intensive agriculture and its impact on nature.
We have some flies, beetles, a couple of bees.
There's only one type of plant, rapeseed, covering hundreds of hectares, so biodiversity is very poor here, which means we don't have a wide variety of plants that insects need in order to reproduce.
Marie-Christine is a longtime contributor to another citizen science project that focuses on pollinators. She takes us to a wildflower meadow, less than a mile away.
Yes, got one. The blue one. A little butterfly.
Another one, right there.
Here you can see the first orchids in bloom, typical of the soil we have here.
A former landfill, this area was transformed into a wild meadow, now providing a rich habitat for countless species. For the next 20 minutes, Marie-Christine will photograph all the insects that will land on this tree.
You have to be fast. Here's a wild bee, beetle, and a tiny little ant. There are lots of ants on the plants, actually more than you might think. They can carry pollen.
The final bug count, 11 different species. Thanks to Marie-Christine and some 4,000 other participants, scientists have been able to document the decline of butterflies, beetles, and ladybugs, as well as the emergence of non-native species, filling the void left behind.